everybody, it's Miss Kristen again. I want to do another science experiment with you. Today we're going to make a chemical reaction, and that chemical reaction is going to be a volcano. So, still using things generally found at home, we need white vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring. I will put the measurements in the comments, in the description, so that you guys can make them at home. All right, so we have an empty 2-liter bottle. And in this bottle, I'm going to put the vinegar. Does anybody know what vinegar smells like? Not yummy. I don't think it smells very yummy. All right. We got our vinegar in. Now we're going to put in our food coloring. I chose green. Yeah, because I thought it'd be interesting. But you can choose whatever color you want. All right. Now we have our food coloring. Our next item is dish soap. We're going to put some dish soap, say that 5 times fast. All right, we're going to pour this in. All right, since we can't really shake this, stir this, we're going to shake it a little bit. Get the food coloring mixed. I guess we probably shouldn't use gel food coloring, but here we are. It'll be all right. So now comes the fun part. Are you ready? So we're going to move things out of the way because we don't want to stain anything at our homes or here or anywhere. All right. Then we mix our baking soda with some water till it's a milky, pasty mixture. All right. And then finally, we're going to pour it in. And explosion! There's the green. Let's see if we can do a little bit more. That's so cool! Whoa! This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's still going. Yee! All right, we're going to put the rest of it in. And there we go. We made a volcano. Look at this eruption. All right, friends. And that's it. Let me know if you like it or if you have any ideas for something to do. Miss you.